changed my mind. Changed my mind because I just want to rip these packs, man. I charge these packs up to rip them up. Gonna rip them up, and then I might take the max out after. The sun obviously does disappear pretty quick. You can see obviously the sun's right there, it's disappearing. It's gonna get below that tree line, and then it's like weird. It's like, bam, it's like, that's it. Mother Nature's like, nope, you're done. But I ain't done. I ain't done, man. No way am I done. No stinking way. Alright, 6 beeps, man. And got no motor. Why do I have no motor again? Huh. Oh, there we go. Oh, ESC must have been checking. Oh, that's some juice. Got some juice now. Could be cooking. Man, it's like I almost can't even open it up. Ready? Full trigger, right there. It just launches it into a power wheelie. Faster you go over the terrain, the better it is. Just manhandles the ground. Unbelievable. It's not even full trigger. That's 3/4, man. Because when I full trigger it, it just starts to power wheelie. Ready? Full trigger. It's a wheelie. Oh, look, it just go over the terrain like it's nothing. It's on its side, it's gonna diff it out. This truck really is a blast, man, I'm telling you. I'm not, you know, I do have my Hobao biased glasses on right now, but it's all right, man. It's all right, it's all good. It's all good. It's all in good fun, I know what you meant. It's all right, guy. I'm not offended. I don't get offended by nothing, man. 2 each his own. Don't complain to me about your Prius. What the hell kind of tracks is that? Chase after the little kid. Full trigger. You could just eat that terrain, man, like it's not even there. What terrain? Into the bushes. And this truck can get out of these bushes. right. Trim's off somehow. The trim's got a mind of its own. God damn, this thing has just got some torque. For a 17 tooth pinion, wow. That's how it just goes over the rocks. Oh, right back. Oh man. It's got so much power, it just throws itself back on its own roof. This thing's awesome. All right. Let's see what we got here. Glad to see the kids out riding dirt bikes, man. And he's being safe too. Looks like a new bike. He might be a new rider. Yep. It's in a weird like dent, you see that? All rocks, man. All rocks. Look at this. All gravel drainage rocks. Murder on a normal RC. But this truck ain't normal. This truck ain't normal. Ah, there we go. Ah, there we go. Got it. Really didn't feel like walking that time. See, full trigger just gets me a wheelie. Oh crap! Hanging with the dirt bike. Pull trigger. Beautiful. Pull trigger. Oh! Still keeps coming for more. Body's feeling it right now. Oh, I lost the body clip, that's why. That's why the body's feeling it, because I lost the stinking body clip. I lost two of them. Oh, you know what? I have body clips in my pocket. Thank you, Robbie's RC guy. Robbie's RC gave me these body clips. Perfect. These are like disposable body clips. This thing is just rocking, man. Disposable body clips. Let's feel how that motor's doing. Ooh, the motor's scorching. Alright, time to give that motor a little bit of time. So, yeah, time to give that motor a little bit of a break. I'm gonna just let the fan do its thing. We're over here ripping it at Diamond Dust 2. Diamond Dust 2, man, it is a different animal over here. A lot more abusive. It's definitely designed for off-road, side-by-side, dirt bikes, quads, vehicles, stuff like that. Not really this scale. What is this, 7th, 8th scale? Yeah, this is 8th scale. Not necessarily 8th scale vehicles. I mean, you can, but just know that the wide openness and the ruts and the abuse is going to be abuse on the RC, but this truck definitely seems to be taking it. So anyways, I'm out ripping it up. What are you doing?